Good evening. Live from Pag-asa DOST, here's the latest weather forecast. A low pressure area or LPA continues to move within the Philippine area of responsibility. As of 4 p.m., the said LPA was estimated at 260 kilometers north-northeast of Lawag City or 70 kilometers west of Basco, Batanes. But according to Pag-asa weather forecaster Fernando Cada, there's nothing to worry about, for the said LPA is expected to leave the Philippine area of responsibility within the next 24 hours. However, continuous monitoring should still be done, for the said weather disturbance may still intensify and develop into a bagyo. And for our weather forecast, Ilocos Region, Cordillera, as well as Central Luzon and Metro Manila will experience occasional rains tonight until tomorrow morning. Cagayan Valley will have cloudy skies with light to moderate rains and thunderstorms, and meanwhile, of the country can look forward to having partly cloudy skies but still expect the occurrences of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms now that the southwest monsoon or habagat already affects Luzon. And speaking of the downpours, this week is gonna be rainy as wet bursts will now be experienced on a regular basis. According to Pag-asa's weekly weather outlook, the southwest monsoon will continue to bring rainy weather, especially in Metro Manila and the whole western Luzon. Also, the possibility of the onset of the rainy season is expected to commence this week. Dear viewers, a volcano in Mars is being studied at present, for according to scientists, it is possible that the said volcano can become a haven of life. Geologists from the Brown University in the USA are currently exploring the Arsiemons, which is a 10-mile-high ancient shield volcano in the said planet. Arsiemons is believed to have erupted 210 million years ago, and as a result of the heat of its eruption, some parts of the glaciers have melted and trapped bubbles of liquid water inside their glacial cocoons for long periods of time. Scientists believe that the presence of liquid water in Mars could only mean one thing: that there is a possibility that life has thrived on the said planet. As of press time, scientists and experts are continuously studying Arsiemons and if life really is possible in planet Mars. The science may be blurry by now, but with unceasing research, we will eventually put together the mysterious jigsaw puzzle pieces of life outside our planet. And we're going to wrap things up with tomorrow's sunrise and sunset. Tomorrow, the sun will rise at 5:26 a.m. and will set at 4 p.m. And that's the latest in our weather. This is Panahon TV, always first in bringing to the latest weather information. Be sure to follow us on our social media accounts so you wouldn't miss a beat. This has been your weatherman, Harry Bayona, saying wherever life leads you. No matter what the weather, always bring with you a bright disposition and your own sunshine. Good evening and have a great week ahead.